back to another episode of JR's Garage. Today we have here a John Deere Hydro 175 riding lawnmower. Won't start. Let's find out why. So the previous owner decided to basically give this thing away for 50 bucks. He says that all it needs is an ignition switch. Alright, so I've done a couple of tests and he looks to be right, actually. This is the ignition switch. And these are the burnt connections. Alright, so basically what we did here, we're going to test the ignition switch. We're going to jump the wires. I'll put an image to the schematic in later. So we'll jump the wires that are set for run and then battery. Once I have that connected, then I will bridge the connection between the starter and the solenoid with this. So as you can see, I was able to get it running. Looks like the original owner was right. I was able to bypass the ignition key and the thing fired right up. Now, as for me driving the thing, it's gonna take some getting used to. Enjoy my shenanigans.